So I am taking my older sister Wiginity. Okay, yes, that's the word I made up. But this is her first lace wig ever, and we're gonna go ahead for it. So I'm taking a brown stocking cap and I'm placing that on her head because that blends in more with her skin tone. And I'm using my wig from TianaBlanco.com. This is a 14-inch straight bob wig, blunt cut if you want to say. And then I'm gonna take my eyebrow razor because this, when you use this, it gives it a more blended look, the lace, because it's not one straight blunt cut as you would with a scissor. So keep that in mind. And I'm gonna be using my favorite adhesive ever, Bold Hold. And I'm using that to melt the lace into her skin. As you can see, it is melted and blended. Yeah, 𝐂𝐚���. This wig looked like it's coming from her scalp. It's all within the technique. It took many years of practice and fuck ups and got it together, and boom. So I'm using a pressing comb, a hot comb, and if you're wearing wigs, that will be your best friend. So invest in a hot comb. And the rest is history, y'all. You can part it, do a updo. You know, it's a lace front. Play around with it, y'all.